everybody, nice to see you in this new video. And today I'm really happy that we have the participation of a really special guest. It's my best friend Mia.
Hello, thank you Clappy for the introduction. My name is Mia. I am one of Clappy's best friends, and today I am very honored to join you guys in this video.
Okay, and yesterday Mia has told me about her really special dream. Mia, can you tell everyone about this?
Yes, of course. Yesterday I had a very special dream. I got lost in the land of rainbows, of colors. So the thing I remember the most is of course the rainbow. When I stepped on the rainbow, you know what? It melted.
Whoa! So today I come up with the new ideas. We will make a giant rainbow slime. Oh, I'm really excited. Let's do it.
Okay, so in order to make this giant rainbow slime, we would need 10 kilograms of white glue, some borax powder, and 3 large containers.
We also need some water and some food coloring to make it colorful. And now we will put the white glue into the container.
And we will both do it.
Ok, đầu nhé, thế nào?
Wow, it's so dense. Oh, I like it.
Oh, it's like milk.
Condensed milk.
Yeah, condensed milk. The kind of milk that you make cakes.
But I don't like it smell. Because the glue is so dense, so we have to put water into it, one by one. Because we have 10 kilogram glue, so we put 10 kilogram water inside it.
Look at it.
Just spoon.
Yes.
Now,
We will both stir it.
yeah. Wow, really great.
Yeah. Wow! So as you can see, the white glue has already been well mixed with the water. So we will continue to mix the borax powder with the water with the ratio of 1/15. With this much white glue, we would need 4 liters of water. So can you guess it? We would need 6 tablespoons of borax powder.
Put in it.
Okay, so I have just put the borax powder in here, and now we have to shake it so that the borax powder is well mixed in with the water. Remember, we need some air here so that the powder could have some space to blend into with the water. So right now we will slowly put this mixture into the glue. Remember, put it slowly and stop when you feel like it has the slimy feature. Clappy, could you help me mix it?
Yes. Whoa!
Wow!
It's become dense
Already! So fast!
Look at this! Whoa, look at this! We just almost put it into the glue. I think we did more.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh.
Can you see it? Really fun. And I think it's like a kind of chemical transform.
I didn't think that it would be this fast.
I think I should use my hands to make it. Whoa! Oh my god! Sorry for my nails. My nails, can you see it?
If you feel like it needs more borax, just tell me. I have 3 hands here.
Yeah, I think we need more borax.
Really?
Yeah, because the glue is so... the other is not dense.
Okay, so I will put a little bit more in this.
Wow. Whoa!
Would you look at that?
After blending step, this is our result. Look at
Wow.
this.
Right now we will continue with adding the food colorings to the slime.
Wow, we complete the giant rainbow slam.
Yes, I loved it. It looks exactly like a rainbow.
And now let's store it. Whoa! Wow, it looks so nice. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh. So beautiful.
Now it looks like a tornadoes of colors.
Actually, I just want to eat it.
Oh.
It looks like butter and cream, colored cream.
Amazing.
Look at that.
I want to see it on the floor.
Oh.
Yeah. Crazy.
Crazy.
Wow.
Yes.
What a giant marble! Whoa!
Wow.
Be careful, we got our knees and clothes.
Wow.
Look at that. It looks like noodle. What?
Wow.
Oh, so crazy!
A lot of marbles.
Wow.
Wow.
I want to cut it. I want to cut it.
Dun 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 dun.
It looks like cake right now.
Cake blazing.
Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Wow, look at that. We have full of color here. Don't you see it? Oh my god, my foot.
Yes.
Boom. Wow.
Whoa! That sound. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa!
Wow.
Well, look at this! Look at this! You know what I'm thinking of? Unicorn skin.
Unicorn skin. Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, do you like it? And if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. And we will have a lot of other interesting videos. And now time to say goodbye. Goodbye!